Today, we're getting the scoop on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. There have been a lot of rumors swirling around these earbuds, but thanks to some adventurous Reddit users, we finally have some concrete information to share. First up, we have a Reddit user named Plasticor_development_1 who got their hands on a pair of Buds 3 Pro before the official release, supposedly at Walmart. According to them, the sound quality is fantastic, with a nice bump in bass compared to other options. They even said they prefer them over their first generation AirPods Pro. Plasticor_development_1 also praised the improved ambient mode and active noise cancellation, ANC, over the AirPods Pro. However, they mentioned that the microphone quality seems similar to the AirPods Pro, with voices sounding a little muffled during calls. In terms of features, the settings menu currently shows only AAC and SBC audio codecs. There are touch controls on the stems for volume adjustment, slide, and music control pinch. Plus, there's a cool party trick. You can turn on and off lights on the stems by pinching and holding. This works when the buds are out of the case and have at least 30% battery. You can even choose between blinking, fade, and steady lighting styles. Another interesting feature is voice detection for ambient mode. This can be disabled manually if it activates automatically. Plasticor_development_1 also complimented the build quality of the Buds 3 Pro and the charging case. They suspect Samsung used a plastic hinge for the case, but it still feels sturdy and stronger than the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro case. Next, we have Ling_0_Nextus on Reddit. They weren't as impressed with the stem design compared to the bean design of the Buds 2 Pro, and they found the music quality to be similar. However, they agreed that the ambient mode is a clear improvement and the Buds 3 Pro felt equally comfortable, if not more so. Just like Plasticor_development_1, they confirmed the ANC on the Buds 3 Pro was superior to both the Buds 2 Pro and AirPods Pro. Ling_0_Nextus also clarified that the slide gesture controls volume, while the pinch and press gesture can be customized for 4 different functions. By default, a long press lets you switch between ANC and ambient mode. Our last source is Reddit user single_uncore_mind. They were too thrilled with the lightweight plastic build of the Buds 3 Pro and the case, which felt a bit cheap. But they reassured us that everything felt very sturdy with no flex. The case has a satisfying weight, a strong magnet for the lid, and the Buds fit snugly inside. Now let's talk sound quality. Single_uncore_mind believes the Buds 3 Pro outperform the Pixel Buds Pro in every way, with better treble, richer bass, and higher volume. However, they weren't a huge fan of the 360-degree sound feature, noting some lag in head tracking. They also mentioned that the ambient mode, while good, wasn't the most natural sounding. However, the app allows for adjustments to minimize hiss, which is a plus. Comfort-wise, single_uncore_mind found the Buds 3 Pro to be very comfortable and secure in the ears, even surpassing the Pixel Buds Pro. They come with medium-sized tips pre-installed with small and large sizes included in the box. The package also includes a USB cable. In terms of battery life, single_uncore_mind reported using about 33% of the battery during a 1-hour conversation with ANC on. Even more impressive, charging the Buds in the case for just 12 minutes brought them up to 97%. It's important to remember that this information comes from early leaks. Specs and features could change before the official launch. Additionally, Samsung is expected to announce a standard version, the Galaxy Buds 3, alongside the Pro model. Leaks suggest these will also have a stem design. We'll be sure to keep you updated on all the official details as soon as Samsung unveils the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and Buds 3 at their Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10th. Stay tuned. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080p resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 GB RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.